9 raised to the power 10 plus 3 raised to the power 15 upon 9 raised to the power 6 plus 3 raised to the power 7 under square root. We have to simplify it. Now 9 we can write it as 3 raised to the power 2, then whole raised to the power 10 plus 3 raised to the power 15 upon 3 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 6 plus 3 raised to the power 7 under square root. Now there is an identity. If a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, this is equal to a raised to the power m times n. So here we can write 3 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 10 is 3 to the power 20 plus 3 to the power 15 upon 3 to the power 12 plus 3 to the power 7 under square root. Or now 3 to the power 20 we can write it as 3 to the power 15 plus 5 plus 3 to the power 15 upon 3 to the power 12 as 3 to the power 7 plus 5 plus 3 to the power 7 under square root. Again there is an identity. If a raised to the power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n. So this will be 3 raised to the power 15 times 3 raised to the power 5 plus 3 raised to the power 15 upon 3 raised to the power 7 times 3 raised to the power 5 plus 3 raised to the power 7 under square root. Now we can take 3 raised to the power 15 as common. So 3 raised to the power 15 parenthesis 3 raised to the power 5 plus 1 upon, here also we can take 3 raised to the power 7 as common and write 3 raised to the power 7 parenthesis 3 raised to the power 5 plus 1 under square root. Now these are two like terms, so we can cancel them. Now we have 3 raised to the power 15 upon 3 raised to the power 7 under square root. Now there is an identity. If a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n, this is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. So this will be 3 raised to the power 15 minus 7 under square root, or 3 raised to the power 8. Square root means it is raised to the power of 1 upon 2, or 3 to the power 8 times 1 upon 2. 2 times 4 is 8. So this is equal to 3 to the power 4 or equal to 81. So this is our answer.